Welcome to Overture Pointe Ranches, nestled among the trees, yet convenient to all that Hickory has to offer. Experience the ease of single-level living. No more stairs. Your new home offers everything on one floor without sacrificing space. Select from floor plans featuring 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Each home is designed with features that will keep you comfortable for the long term. The owner suite features a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. Your walk-in shower even features a seat for added comfort. Just outside your owner's suite is your laundry room. No more carrying the laundry up and down the stairs. With lawn care included, you can spend time enjoying all that Hickory has to offer, or relaxing on your optional covered porch. Building a new home comes with fantastic benefits. Everything is brand new, and you have the freedom to select design features like cabinets, countertops, and flooring. No need for expensive renovations. Additionally, every home we construct is energy efficient, from appliances to thermostats, helping you save on your monthly bills. Concerned about selling your current home or building a new one? Our team of experts is here to assist you every step of the way. From our in-house lender to your dedicated project manager, backed by our industry-leading warranty, you can rest assured you're in good hands. Welcome to a community where convenience meets comfort. Just minutes from everyday essentials, you'll find shopping options like Aldi, Target, and Lowe's along Highway 70 and I-40. With easy access to I-40, visiting loved ones is effortless. Feel secure with the highly ranked Catawba Valley Medical Center less than 5 miles away. Stay active and enjoy life right at home with sidewalk-lined streets and future pickleball courts designed just for you. If you're picturing your life here and want to know how to learn more, schedule a personalized visit today. We look forward to welcoming you home.